Yeah.
Meow. 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 Meow.
Okay.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Meow. Let me in your world. Shit! Ah! Okay, bye. Cool. Cool. Oh. Ow. Front tooth. Ow. Ow. The solve looked yummy, and I decided to partake, and it was indeed yummy. Scrum-diddly-dumptious! Cool. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Alright, we're gonna speed run how to not mess up! I should become an OnlyFans model. Yeah, I should definitely become an OnlyFans model. I'm thick. I have what we call a bubble butt. I'm not good at this cubing thing. I'm not good at this school thing. Yeah, that's a lie. I'm a pretty good student. Yeah, but this cubing thing, I suck. I'm terrible. I suck. I hope, like, I go to a competition one day and a parent just has to ask someone, is that kid on crack? To which I will see. Which I will most likely reply, yeah. But I'm just so freaking amazing at this that I make something out of nothing. I touch something and I make gold. Okay. Okay. Let me in your world. Like, how do I explain to my parents that, like, I'm like semi a disappointment? Yeah, no, I'm semi a disappointment. I still have that bubble butt going for me. Let me in your world. How often do you think about the Roman Empire? I think about it every day. Zooey mama! Subscribe. Just do it.